It was a beautiful day in Miss Joyce's class. The sun shone through the windows and everyone was excited. It was lunchtime. Children opened their colorful lunch bags and boxes, chatting happily as they munched. Ada smiled as she reached for her lunchbox. Inside was her favorite, a shiny red apple. But as she lifted the lid, something tiny crawled out. "Ah!" Ada shouted, jumping back. Miss Joyce rushed over. "What happened, Ada?" "There's an ant in my box." "It's okay, Ada. Ants can surprise us, but they're tiny and harmless." Miss Joyce chuckled kindly. "You just said ah. That's the special sound for the letter ah. And look, ant and apple both start with the ah sound. Even your name, Ada, begins with ah." Later, during circle time, Ms. Joyce asked, "Can anyone find something else that starts with the ah sound?" The class got busy. Kaima brought a toy alligator. Ben held up a little astronaut. Then came a toy axe and even a stuffed antelope from the nature bin. Everyone giggled and shouted together, "Ah, ah, ah." That's the sound for ah. Then they sang the ah song and danced. Laughter filled the classroom walls as they all learned together, big and small. Wow! What a fun day we've had, learning all about the letter sound ah. We searched the room, sang, danced, and found so many ah objects, like apple, ant, astronaut, and even axe. Remember, boys and girls, the letter A says ah, like ah, ah, ah. Can you say it with me? See you next time for another sound adventure. Bye for now.